The Ford Motor Company is an American car manufacturer based in Dearborn, Michigan. It was founded in 1903 by Henry Ford. Mr. Ford established the Henry Ford Company in 1901 to produce cars, but this company changed name to Cadillac Motor Company in 1902 after Ford left it. In the early years, Ford's car production was not very effective, producing just a few cars per day. But Ford was a pioneer in the development and use of the moving assembly line concept and in-house parts manufacturing. Up until Ford's mass production system, automobiles were for the rich and upper class because of their great cost of manufacture. Ford made the automobile obtainable even for the working class, with the introduction of the Model T in 1908. This model sold in the millions, while the previous models A, B, C, F, K, N, R, and S sold in the hundreds or thousands per year. In 1927, the Model A took over for the Model T. This was the first model to feature safety glass in the windshield. Ford purchased the Lincoln Motor Company in 1922 to get a foot in the luxury segment of the market. In 1939, Ford created the Mercury brand as a step between Lincoln and Ford. During World War II, Ford produced bomber airplanes for the U.S. government, but also military vehicles and equipment for the Nazi war effort through its German subsidiary. In the 50s, Ford came up with a whole range of new safety features that could be purchased as the Lifeguard safety package. This included deep dish steering wheel, rear seatbelts, a padded dash, and child-proof door locks. Some models of the 50s were the Galaxy, Thunderbird, Fairlane Crown Victoria, and the pickup Ranchero. In the 60s, the two Ford icons, the Mustang and the GT40, was released, together with the Falcon. In Europe, popular models include the Cortina, Fiesta, and later the Sierra. Ford was on the rise up until the early 2000s when financial problems mounted and a new market strategy was outlined. Some current models of the brand include the Maverick, Ranger, F-150, Bronco and Expedition in the US, and the Fiesta, Focus, Mondeo, Kuga and the electric Mustang Mach-E in Europe. With their new strategy and a rich and eventful history, Ford's cars are sure to be around even in the years to come.